This is loss. This is loss. Now I'll have to change all the cages in my poultry.
What happened?
My wires have started breaking, rusting too early. I don't understand how and why.
Have you heard about A1 EcoZal 2000 Plus wires? EcoZal 2000 Plus wires are tested for more than 2000 hours of salt spray test. It has 10% aluminium and 90% zinc. EcoZal 2000 Plus wires have got 25 years of wire life. EcoZal 2000 Plus wires has long life, is cost effective, is high on safety and is easy to clean. You want cages? Ask for cages with EcoZal 2000 Plus wires. Secure your investment in poultry farm by using EcoZal 2000 Plus wires.